After 200 days of aggression, the Israeli occupation killed 34,000 Palestinians. Tool of Israeli crime: shelling, aerial bombardment, white phosphorus bombs, live ammunition, artillery shelling. Explosive belts, snipers, genocide, killing and torture, siege and crossing closure, preventing trucks passage, settler attacks on trucks, high cost of exiting Gaza. Tool of Israeli crime for the sake of livelihood: starvation, luring the hungry then targeting them, targeting bread queues, massacre at flour mills, aerial assaults, stampeded and overcrowding. Aid airdrops landing on passers-by, direct targeting, shelter centers and schools, human gatherings, markets, hospitals, residential neighborhoods, medical neglect. Collapse of the health system, lack of medication, chronic diseases, collapse of the sewage system, spread of garbage, spread of epidemics.